Everyone. So, what is generated knowledge prompting? See, before LLM giving some conclusion to you, some answer to you, it will take some metrics, and based on those metrics, it can give you the proper concluded answer. So, I'll tell you with one example. You can see this. You ask a question like Greece is larger than Mexico. That is a question you asked. Then what is the knowledge is like a model come up with Greece is approximately 1,31,957 square kilometers, while Mexico is approximately 19 lakh 64,375 square kilometers. Based on that, Mexico is larger. So, but the query we asked is Greece is larger than Mexico, but that is not true. So, if you look at this, so it has this Greece metrics as well, like metrics in the sense what is the square kilometers, like what is the square kilometers, and after that what is the Mexico square kilometers? Knowledge one, knowledge two. Based on that data, it got the conclusion that obviously, so this one is. Mexico is far better than this. I mean, in terms of size wise. So Mexico is big than compared to Greece. So in that way, it got the answer. So sometimes whenever you given some prompt, it will come up with some knowledge generation things, and it captures some of the information. And based on that information, it give you the conclusion. Okay, so based on this, I'm giving this is the answer. So at that time, we use this generate knowledge prompting. And even whatever questions you ask, like a fish is capable of thinking, so knowledge is like fish are more intelligent than they appear in many areas such as memory, cognitive powers, and higher vertebrates, including non-human primates, and fish long-term memories help them to keep track of complex social relationships. Like based on these data it was giving. So sometimes whenever you ask any query, it requires a lot of knowledge. At that time, it will capture this information, and based on the knowledge, it will decide, not directly the text completion. Okay, so in that sense, this approach, like generated knowledge prompting, is useful. Okay, so in your application, whether you're creating some interesting application where it requires some knowledging like data, so based on that data, it was giving some kind of a conclusion. At that time, you can consider this approach. Yeah. So yeah, that's it. I hope you learn something new, and we'll see you in the next tutorials. Yeah.